Hi, this is Richard Hastings with East Texas Aquaponics here at Spot On Farm, which is a permaculture farm here in northwest Smith County, Texas. That is my neighbor. That's Harvey, and he comes down here and finds things to do, so he's currently cleaning our sink. That was kind of nice of him. Anyway, we've got a 6,600 square foot greenhouse or hoop house. And as you can see, it's 150 feet long by 44 feet wide. We've got it half built out at the moment. And as you can see, we've got lettuce about 3/4 of the way down the deep water culture bed. And that means that sometime about next week, it'll be full. That's pretty exciting stuff. We're planting about 1,600 to 1,700 seeds per week right now. We currently have two 1,000-gallon fish tanks, and I'll include a segment on some of the fish. We've got currently 90% shade over the fish and an 80% shade over the human occupancy zone where the people stand. We have four 17,000 cubic feet per minute fans that suck air through a 200 square foot evaporative cooling wall, and that keeps the temperature in here quite reasonable even when it's 100 degrees outside. We have two 100-gallon cyclonic solids filters that remove most of the solids out of the fish waste, and then we've got currently a 56-foot by 4-foot media bed that's filled with tomatoes and peppers and Malabar spinach and basil. Anyway, that's about all I've got for right now, but that's what we're doing. Have a great day.